along the political line, and we just bonded. He has been my mentor, though I was his leader. And little did I know that we did the last supper together. And he had 5 chickens that were alive. Akasema, chingoko chile live. I drove him to the hotel, tukakula. His Excellency was there. Sikuwa najua that was the last meal we were to do together. He was in a very jovial mood. We lack words that we can cry for this gentleman who is laid down here. And I remember when I got to office, he just came to my office very early in the morning. And I told him we have to summon ourselves on a round table and do one thing. We are all young, and we must change the face of how politics has been done in the county and across the divide. We said we have a legacy to leave, and I want to confirm here with all the honorable members that the effort we have lost, it will take long to replace. And we were just joking the other day. Tokabora niga, elicho usirira wrong. Tihango torariria abaheshimiwa twatikara 34 torariria ng'orabe majority leader tugansoya omasoyo tugaikabaka number 34 tukabona umuntu ogobe majority leader because the qualities were very exceptional. We'll have a lot to mourn about this man, but with the family we want to thank you. Doreen, you know how we used to share with Mheshimiwa, and it's very unfortunate on the very fatal day nilimpigia simu at that time when he was dying. It was 4:11. I was all morning so tired. Ikafika saa 10 na dakika 11. And we had not shared on Sunday. Nikasema haja nimpigie simu. I called him the first time. Simu ilikuwa engaged. Nikarudia the second time. That's for the kanichirobo ngobuga nenga bolinga na ki. In case I called the 3rd time, and I called the 4th time, I called the 5th time within 1 minute. And that's how I found the lifeless body of my buddy laying in a mortuary. And I was told that a good story usually leaves you in suspense. The good story is Honorable Elijah Osiemo. The time we wanted to read the story of Elijah, unfortunately left the stage. But we salute the king, we let him rest. Nimataba Heshimiwa, mwakolega asingi. Viongozi MCA from Kisii County, from the national government, abagavana baitu, we have all mourned this great hero. The family to our tearing aside, abenaimwe. Ebinto beyond Elijah, and they shared with me 100%. I called Bonnie and to the family, because Elijah probably must have known. But then I want to console you, Job 14:5. Kego tebanga kero muntu amatukaye gabalira sobo ikobenze nemetienyi yo mubaro bwa matukaito